Good morning, everyone. My name is Samha Ahmed, and I am recording my micro lesson for Arizona State University's TESOL through Coursera. The video begins now. Okay, everyone. So we had so much fun reading about sandcastle and the farmer. It was beyond amazing, right? Would you agree? I would agree big time. So, as we were reading, we knew there were like lots of actions, like things moving around, or somebody sneaking in somewhere, or maybe someone who likes to run away after doing something wrong. Right? So, what we're going to do today is that we are going to recall our action words. Do you know what are action words? Show of hands, please. Right. Yes, exactly, Ubed. Exactly. Action words are verbs, the doing words. So, we're going to look for action words through the stories Sandcastle and the Farmer, but in a fun way. Let me show you what I have planned for you guys. So, moving on to my laptop. This is a random word wheel. What I've done is I've chosen some words from the story and entered those words here. Once I divide the class in two sections. The right side of the class, the first two aisles are group A, and the left side of the class, the last two aisles are group B. Once you see a word visible on the screen, I want you to read the word and then use that word in a sentence. Once that is done, one student from group B is going to stand up and use the very same sentence and turn it into a different tense. Okay, let's start. I bet it'll be fun, but do remember, okay? I want your hands raised all the time. If any one of you breaks a rule, then you'll have to wait for your turn, and then somebody else will take your turn. Moreover, remember, this is a fun activity that is going to help us learn everything: listening, reading, speaking. Okay, let's get on with it. So I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel. Let me just see. Here we go. And let's see the word that appears on the screen. The word here is disappear. Okay, so for example, I will read the word disappear. And a student from group A goes, "When I entered my room, I noticed that my friend had disappeared from the room." And then I will go ahead and move on to group B, and one of you will use a different tense like disappeared. She disappeared in the woods. Okay, let's do this again. This will solely be your own turn. I'm spinning it one more time. And okay, the word is, here you see the word. Can somebody read the word for me? Okay, group A. Abira. Yes, please go ahead, Abira. Yes, absolutely, Abira. The word is snuck. The word is snuck. Abira, would you like to use that word in a sentence, please? Yeah, it can be any sentence. It can be a silly sentence, some information about something, or anything you want. Okay, but it has to be a sentence, and you have to use the word snuck. And yeah, kids, do remember one thing: you cannot make the same sentences from the story. We're going to make up our own new sentences. Okay? Yeah. All right, I do like that sentence. She snuck into my room while I was away for school. I like it, yes. Try building a little more on it. Like, she snuck into my room while I wasn't there and took my favorite pencil. Okay, group B, can you give me the present tense for the word snuck? Who would like to go ahead? Absolutely, Hamdan. Your turn, please go ahead. Good job, Hamdan. Well done. High five for both of you. So I'm going to high five myself. because I don't have anybody to high five with, okay? So the present tense of the word snuck is sneak. Moving on to an other word here. I hope it's a fun word. Caught. The word. The word is, raise your hands, please. Anaya. The word is caught, absolutely. Anybody else from Group A, would you like to make a sentence for the word caught? Yes, Marshall, please go ahead. Everybody, please use your listening ears and listen to what Marshall has to say. Oh my God, that is fun. She caught me while I was about to steal her favorite ice cream from the fridge. Oopsie. Must have been caught like right away. Okay, Group B. What is the present tense for the word caught? Yeah, you can do it, yes. You can discuss with each other. But I don't want to hear any voice. It should be whispering voices all the time. Absolutely. Are you ready? Okay. The present tense for caught is catch. Well done, class. That was super amazing. I'm so proud of each one of you and the way you've maintained discipline in the class and you reinforced and relearned the verbs has left me so proud as your teacher.